Hey guys, what's up? So today I have the iPhone 12 mini to unbox. So here is the box right here. The box looks smaller in size as well as in height due to reduction of power brick and earpods. So let's firstly open it up. So guys, here is our 12 mini, the black color variant. Looks a kind of glossy finish at back, as you can see. Let's keep it aside. So here is the lightning cable for charging the phone, type C port to lightning cable, and there is no power brick, the instruction manual with SIM injector tool, a sticker and some warranty papers. Keep it aside. Now let's talk about the phone. So guys, here is the phone. I will peel it off and turn the phone on. So guys, here it is turned on and it feels smaller in hands, as here is iPhone 5s to compare the size of 12 mini. So the 12 mini is a bit larger than 5s, as you can see. Okay, let's talk about the design. The design is same. It got flat edges, as you can see, dual camera setup and a notch display. So LiDAR sensor is not present in 12 mini. The camera in 12, 12 mini and 12 Pro is slightly upgraded, but the real upgrade is done in 12 Pro Max, that is sensor shift technology.
Sensor shift applies stabilization to the sensor instead of the heavier lens.
More about it in another video. So let's talk about the 12 mini. The 12 mini is too smaller, as I told earlier. So here is iPhone X. As you can see, the 12 mini is still more smaller than iPhone X. So let's talk about the 12 mini's camera. The camera in 12 mini provides sharper photos, night mode portraits, and also you can record video in 4K at 60 fps. So it runs on iOS 14.2, as you can see here. So guys, I have clicked some of photos from this 12 mini, so I will display it. So the photos are sharper, and due to the larger sensor, the portrait pictures are also impressive. And guys, if you are enjoying the video, a sub to our channel will be massively appreciated. The display of 12 mini is the sharpest of all iPhones, though it's same as all 12, 12 Pro and Max, but the difference comes in size. The pixels are tightly packed in a small display of 12 mini, due to which we get sharpest display ever on an iPhone. So now it's booyah time. We will play Free Fire on it and test the performance of game on this 12 mini. So we'll just, yes, and I will turn settings to max, everything max, and let's play the game. So after playing the game, the back was heated up a little, but there were no lags or frame drops when I was playing. So guys, there is one more thing to tell about 12 mini. It too comes with magnets at back, which means you can use MagSafe accessories with it. So guys, this is the phone which is smaller in size yet a flagship, and I think it's worth buying it. On that being said, my name is Sanket, this is Creative Innovative, and I will see you guys in the next one.